Beep beep, everyone. Woohoo! Topps Big League Baseball from 2021. Why do I sound so excited? I don't know. Probably because I'm happy to open up cards. If you're feeling down, opening up cards should cheer you up. I guess not for everyone, but for those that know that will do that, go ahead and do it and cheer yourself up. It's always good to be happy. I don't know where I got these from. I presume I bought these at Walmart. It may have been... my Walmart isn't very good with having stuff in stock. The Target is much, much better. But I guess I was in a Walmart for some reason, just to get one thing. And I always pop over to the card section to see what was there. And I believe this was all they had. And so I bought 4 of them. And we'll open them up in this video. So Nathan the Gnome, boop, boop, says hi. Here's our little orange monster. One of these days I'm going to give him a name. And we'll probably use a blaster box of something to help us out with that. Because that's how we named Nathan here. And Nathan is spelled G-N-A-T-H-A-N with a silent G. And behind him is Cal Ripken with his 4 pillows, offering to give you some extra pillows to rest your head on. Because you're probably going to fall asleep halfway through this video. Haha. And there he is with his earbuds. And today, Cal is listening to Bisbay. And I have to look on the side. It's Le Sens de la Fin, which means the sense of an ending. And I don't know what to call this. I guess it's sort of like avant-garde post-metal or something like that. I believe it's all instrumental. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, nobody there is credited with vocals, so that's what Cal's listening today. I think they're on Bandcamp. If you're curious to hear that, give it a try. I really enjoyed the album. It was one of my favorite albums of 2021. Maybe someday I'll do some music-related videos. But the focus of this channel is baseball cards, so I don't know if I'll start another channel to do that or not. I'm not sure if there's much interest in that. So these are 36 cards, and they include 3 orange parallel cards. And in Blaster Box, there is one orange parallel per pack. And that looks like Mookie Betts is doing a burp on the cover of the pack. Holy crap! A burp pack. I gotta save these. I gotta save these. And even Mike Trout looks like he's is at the end of a burp. You know, when you go after you've burped. Wow, this made my day. Let's see if we can get these open. I'm gonna try to at least have one of these packs preserved. And these are not as easy to open as like wax packs are to preserve them. Well, I guess that's good enough. So I'm going to add that to my burp collection. If you don't have a burp collection, you should do that. And here's one of these things. Woohoo! We're going nuts today. Jacoby Jones. Oh, wow, cool. We got a bat hitting the ball. It looks like it's probably going to be a pop-up or a foul ball based on that. But I like saving cards of players where the photograph of the bat and the ball in the same picture. So that's a cool one. We'll put that aside. There's Clayton Kershaw. Shane Bieber. Lewin Diaz, rookie card. Andrew McCutchen. Oh, I haven't been separating these in like star and regular cards. Let's try to do that. Jake Cronenworth, rookie card. Ahmed Rosario. David Dahl. I like the design of these. Tristan McKenzie, rookie card. Alec Boehm, rookie card. Gio Urshela. NL RBI leaders. That's Ozuna, Freeman, and Machado. James Karinchak. Jonah Heim rookie card. He's got quite a head of hair on him. Here's the American League saves leaders. And there's somebody pumped up there. And those were Brad Hand, Liam Hendricks, and Ryan Presley. Remember, this is from the 2020 season, so that's why those numbers are so low. It was a short season due to the crummy pandemic. Casey Mize rookie card. Mitch Keller. Freddie Freeman. Zach Greinke. Eric Hosmer. Not sure what's going on there. Looks like hand signals. Evan White rookie card. Mike Brosseau. That qualifies as a burp card. Looks like Mike's doing a good burp there. Jock Peterson. I have to look up this guy's name to find out how to pronounce it. I don't know if it's DeYoung or DeJong. Tyler Stevenson rookie card. Matt Olson. Here's our American League war leaders. And those were Shane Bieber, Jose Abreu, and DJ LeMahieu. Garrett Crochet rookie card. Luke Voigt. The strikeout leaders from 2020. Those were Shane Bieber, Lucas Giolito, and Garrett Cole. And Aaron Judge, souvenirs, 468 feet, and that is an insert card. Jackie Bradley Jr., wanted, last seen, Boston. Wanted for home run robbery. Oh my goodness. I guess we'll put that over here. I'm not sure where to put that one. Defensive Wizards, that's Francisco Lindor. And here are our 3 orange parallels. That's Jose Ramirez, Dylan Bundy, and Shane Bieber. Let's open up pack number 2. And see what we find in here. Shane Bieber again. I think that's a slightly different card. Don Mattingly, manager card. Kohei Arihara, rookie card. Devin Williams. J.D. Martinez. Willie Castro. Xander Bogaerts. Devin Williams. Cody Bellinger. That's all in the air. Kyle Lewis, so that we put aside. Joey Bart, rookie card. Eric Hosmer. Ryan Castellani, rookie card. Josh Bell. I just have to look his numbers up, see which pile to put him in. Nelson Cruz, Jose Ramirez, Spencer Howard, Freddie Freeman, Mike Moustakas, Mike Soroka, Keston Hiura, Nelson Cruz, Ian Anderson, Josh Hader, Teoscar Hernandez, Braylon Marquez, rookie card, Andres Jimenez, rookie card, Nico Horner, Luis Robert. Here we got a numbered card. I guess this is a rainbow foil of Devin Williams. That's numbered, I can't quite make that out, 30 out of 199. So cool. Got a hit. Souvenirs, Rafael Devers. And here's another wanted card. This is Christian Yelich. And our defensive wizard is Yadier Molina. Orange parallels, Ronald Acuna Jr. And that would qualify as a burp card, but I already have that one in the collection. Nick Castellanos. And Jahmai Jones rookie card. Pack number 3. All right, and we have one of these store sensor thingies. Notice that one's different than this one. Huh. Cool. Now these look familiar. I work in a library and we've put these in books. We have metal detectors as you leave and they go off if you did not check out your book. Kyle Seager, Zach Plesac, Lorenzo Cain, Christian Javier rookie card, JT Realmuto, John Means, Trevor Bauer, Justin Verlander, Victor Robles, Rhys Hoskins, Marcus Semien, stolen base leaders of the National League, and we have Trevor Story, Roman Quinn, and Trey Turner. Boy, those are low numbers. Isaac Paredes rookie card. There's Fernando Tatis, Devin Williams, Adalberto Mondesi, Justice Sheffield, another Ronald Acuna Jr. This one's not the orange. Dustin May, Adam Wainwright, National League saves leaders, Josh Hader, Brandon Kintzler, and Kenley Jansen. Trevor Story, Brian Reynolds, Jose Abreu, Ryan Mountcastle rookie card, Bo Bichette has a soup stain on his uniform and he's very happy about it. Ha ha. Hyunjin Ryu, Pavin Smith rookie card, Braxton Garrett rookie card, Leody Taveras rookie card, and Leody looks like he just spotted a UFO in the sky, so we have a UFO card. And here's another Ronald Acuna Jr. for the souvenirs insert set. And wanted, Aaron Judge, defense wizard Luis Robert. Our orange parallels are Ryan Castellani rookie card, Mark Canha, and Corey Seager holding up a giant box of Pop-Tarts. Pack number 4. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Boop, boop, boop. Aaron Judge. I think I have this one in my UFO collection, so we'll put him in the star pile instead. And here's Corey Seager again holding up a huge box of Pop-Tarts. Justin Turner, that qualifies as Bat Meets Ball sub-collection of mine. That's a good one. Josh Donaldson. Marcus Stroman. Lucas Giolito, Salvador Perez, Aaron Nola, Ozzy Albies, Shane Bieber, Dodgers highlights card. Everybody is having an exciting time there. Carlos Santana, Marco Gonzalez, Brett Phillips. He's pretending to be an airplane. That's a cool one. Now there's a new sub collection. Players pretending to be airplanes in the field. Alrighty. That's the only card I have like that so far. I don't know if I'll find another one. Francisco Lindor, Chris Davis, the American League wins leaders, and those were Shane Bieber, Garrett Cole, and Marco Gonzalez. Joey Votto, Clark Schmidt rookie card, and here's the NLR home run leaders. Pardon me. There's Ozuna, Tatis, and Machado. Wilson Contreras, Pete Alonso, Adonis Medina rookie card, Marcell Ozuna. Yeah, I think that would make a UFO card right there. That looks like something. Of course, he's He's using his finger to gauge the size of the UFO that's in the sky, I would presume. Brandon Woodruff, Kevin Biggio, Dansby Swanson. That's a nice photo. Jazz Chisholm, Corey Kluber, Ketel Marte. Here's a good one. Bat meets ball. Not sure if he's going to make contact or if he checked his swing and the ball's coming off the bat. He also has a soup stain on his pants. So we got a double feature. Bat, ball, and soup stain. Souvenirs. Giancarlo Stanton. Kyle Lewis wanted. Defense Wizards. Nolan Arenado. Our orange parallels in our last pack are Spencer Howard rookie card, Tony Gonsolin, and Lewin Diaz rookie card. So there you have it. 4 packs of 2021 Topps Big League. They were supposed to have been released in 2021, but they came out earlier this year. I'm not sure what the holdup was. We have one hit. It's a Devin Williams, numbered 30 out of 199. Rainbow foil, I believe. The packs have too small writing, so I'm not going to bother looking that up. Our special cards are Ketel Marte, bat meets ball with a soup stain. Marcell Ozuna spotting a UFO in the sky, and he does have soup stains on his pants too. Lots of sloppos. There's Brett Phillips pretending to be an airplane in the outfield. Justin Turner, bat meets ball. Leody Taveras, finding a UFO. Bo Bichette with a big soup stain on his shirt and pants, and he's real happy about it. Kyle Lewis, completely in the air. Mike Brasso doing a big burp. And Jacoby Jones fouling off a ball. Or popping it up, one or the other. That's what it looks like to me, at least. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Hope you have a great day. If you like the video, please click like. If you find my content interesting in some way, I would be very happy if you were a subscriber. So click on that subscribe button. Click on the bell if you want to be notified of new videos. I try to post one a day. Can't guarantee it, but for the time being, I've got enough of them that I think we should be okay going into October. So from Nathan the Known, beep beep, or boop boop, I mean, I'm the one that goes beep beep, and there's 2 Cal Ripkins and, well, Devin Williams. All saying have a great day. If you're in the dumps, open up a pack of cards and cheer yourself up. Thanks again for watching. Take care, everyone. Beep beep.